How to fix Telegram login problem. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix if you're having issues with your Telegram login. So if you're unable to log into your Telegram account, then the first thing you're going to have to do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable enough internet connection, then you're not going to be able to log in. So if you're on Wi-Fi, turn it off, try switching over to mobile data, and then try to log in. But if that doesn't work, then if you're on data, try switching over to Wi-Fi as well. And in some cases, sometimes Telegram servers might be down, so it's always a good way to check if the Telegram servers are down. So go ahead and open up a new tab. Simply search for down detector, hit enter, and go to downdetector.com. Here you're just going to have to search for Telegram, hit enter or the search, and it will show you if there have been any reports of Telegram being down. And if that is the case, then there's nothing you can do. You'll just have to wait. But if that's not the case, long press on the Telegram app and then go to app info. You're just going to have to go to storage and then clear cache. Then go to clear data. From here you can clear cache as well. Now once your cache is cleared or your storage is cleared, go ahead and force stop the app, because if your request is going through on the background and it's stuck, then there needs to be a way to stop it, and you can force stop it by this. And once you've done that, just go ahead and restart your phone and try logging in back again. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.